twisting machine. It is a cutting, stripping, twisting machine, HSE 142T, and we are going to demonstrate the short code. That is, we are going to run the machine for very small wire of length 22 mm with stripping 5 mm on one side and 8 mm on other side, and both sides twisted. Now we will see on this cutting. 22 mm is the length, 5 mm is the strip length, 7 mm is the rear strip length. Now we will run the machine for that. I'll first run it in test mode. That means I'll produce only one set of wire. This is the wire that we have processed. I'll remove this stripping. Now we will see the wire length. See, this is 22 mm. Now we will run the machine in auto mode. That is, we are going to run it in a production mode continuously. Around 5 seconds, we are able to produce as many as 14 wires. See, in this very small demo, we have processed as many as 64 wires. Thank you.